Alright everyone, I'm Amod and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about LLM, that stands for Large Language Model, in 5 minutes. So, the AI market is booming and tools are everywhere. From chatbots to image generators, there is no shortage of options. Here are a few of the most popular ones like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Cloud, and Gemini. All these tools need is a proper prompt from you and they give you an answer. And if you want better or more specific results, then you can guide them further with more prompts. I'm sure that you must have used at least one tool in your life as of now. Have you ever wondered how your favorite AI tools actually gives you these answers? What is the brain working behind the scenes? So these tools are also called as GPT tools, and GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So here I am focusing more on pre-trained. Let's take a real-time example. There is a teacher who teaches you physics. That teacher must have trained on the subject of physics from some sources. Might be that teacher must have gone through multiple books, online resources, or they might have trained by some other physics teacher. In short, teacher must be pre-trained so that they can share those knowledge with others. Same thing is happening with these AI tools as well. They are pre-trained, and these pre-trained things is basically LLM, which is large language model, and that is responsible to understand your prompt and generate the answer. Or you can say LLM is the brain behind these AI tools. So there is always that one friend who seems to know everything. You ask them any question and they will give you an answer. Sometimes it is totally correct and sometimes, well, you just hope it is. So in the AI world, that friend who answers everything is called an LLM. But this time, this friend has been really trained on large set of data. So basically, LLM is large plus language model. Let's understand what is language model. So a language model is a system that learns patterns in human language to understand and generate text. It works by predicting the next word based on the words that come before it. You must have noticed this behavior. Whenever you are typing an email, or you are sending a text message, or you are trying to search something in Google, automatically you will see some suggestions or the next word is coming. For example, I'm drinking a cup of, then you might see some options like coffee, tea, etc. If you talk about the traditional language model, we have two types: n-gram models, which is called traditional model, and we have some examples like unigram, bigram, trigram models. And then we have something neural language models. But these language models are small or simple with limited understanding and memory. Now, the next level of language model is LLM because they are trained on massive amount of text. That's why we have large. Obviously, if you study more, you will get more knowledge. So now the neural language models are trained with the huge amount of data and it becomes so knowledgeable so that it can answer anything. And that model is basically LLM. So these LLM can understand your context, answer questions, generate content, and mimic conversations. But all the LLMs are language models. But not all language models are large. We have just seen the example of traditional language models. Those are small and simple. Earlier I told you about GPT. So here we can say that all GPTs are LLMs, but not all LLMs are GPTs. So take the example of ChatGPT. We give the prompt and we get the human readable answer. So that is just the UI, which is generating the answer or basically which is being shown to you. But behind the scene, LLM is doing everything. But it is not necessary that all LLMs should have associated UI or GPT, you can say. So just to summarize, LLM is a type of artificial intelligence or large language model which are trained on massive data sets so that it can understand, generate and respond to the human language. Why it is called large? because billions or trillions of parameters are used to feed the massive training data, and it will have the huge computing power. So basically, more data plus more parameters equal to smarter response. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can let me know in the comments. And also you can let me know what topics you want me to cover related to AI. Thank you everyone.